Welcome to the quick crash course on Atomic Habits by James Clear. Let's explore the power of small changes and consistent improvements for massive growth. Discover the power of small changes. Progress is more important than perfection. Learn why tiny, consistent improvements can lead to massive growth. Focus on systems for lasting success. It's the routine that matters, not just the end result. Discover why systems are more effective than goals. Master the 4 laws of behavior change. Build good habits and break bad ones. Make habits obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. Shift your identity to support positive habits. Become a reader, writer, fitness enthusiast, and more. Shape your environment to make good habits easy and bad habits hard. Create an environment that supports your goals. Combine habits for efficiency using habit stacking. Maximize your time and efforts. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals to grow together. The support of family and friends is crucial. Congratulations on completing the quick crash course on Atomic Habits. Take action now and start implementing these principles in your life.